Chanakya, born in Taxila in Pakistan as Vishnu Gupta, was an ancient Indian teacher, philosopher, economist, jurist, and royal advisor. He is traditionally identified as Kautilya, who authored the ancient Indian political treatise, the Arthashastra. Chanakya, the most misunderstood statement of Chanakya. I am trying to correct it. Chanakya said a person should not be too honest. Straight trees are cut first, and honest people are screwed first. A person should not be too honest. He used the term too honest. A person should not be honest, he never said. He said a person should not be too honest. Anything too much is poisonous, is what he meant it. Everything should have a limit. To be conscious is what he is trying to be. To be conscious in your honesty is very important, because when you are conscious, when you deeply, intimately in love with your trees, with your nature, then you understand anything in the world, whether the person who is coming, the opposite is coming to disturb you or not. That was what is meant. Too honest. In the Chakuriki, in the Korean martial art, they say 2.5 kilometers they can smell whether the animal or lion who is coming is hungry or not. If he is not is not hungry, then you can aram to sit, he will not do anything. That is the honesty. You can understand. But the person who is throwing a question, who is coming right in the front of you, whether he is honestly asking question, or for the sake of asking he might be joking, then there is no need for you to give a honest answer. That was the connecting link. He was telling too honest, should not be too honest. Mahatma Gandhi was approached by the workers that the management was not taking care of them, not listening to them. They have some demands. Mahatma Gandhi noted down the 10 demands, and he took the matter to the management. Management was not even willing to listen to Mahatma Gandhi. So they went for a strike. Every day, Mahatma Gandhi was, did you look at it, too honest. He was honest to the workers. At the same time, he was honest with the management too. If he was only too honest, then they could have suffered. So he made sure that it always goes to the management. Every day I'll go to management and beg them, please accept the demands, accept the demands. Almost 1 week nearing, then he said, no, it should not be carried too far away, because if it is too much of a strike, then workers will not get the salary. Then in the house, the wife and children will suffer. One, if the factory doesn't run, the factory will collapse. The economy of the country will have disturbances. It's my duty to make sure that I have to be honest on both the sides. So he made sure the other side also. Then he somewhat convinced the management and said, please accept the demands. And the management was not wanting to accept any demands. But he said, at least you tell, we look into the demands. And the management said, we look into the demands. Mahatma Gandhi kept running. He said, demands, yes, met. He didn't say, look into demands. So demands, they all went to the factory, and he at least made them to make sure that one of the demand is accepted. The 10. Mahatma Gandhi kept on telling, out of the 10 gunas, the person has got one good guna, talk only about that one good thing about the person, and you can change it. That is the honesty. He was telling, too honest. A person should not be too honest, he was telling. Too honest. By talking about all the 9 bad things, you are only creating disturbances. Try to find out a method to be honest, to find out what is the good. You should be a honeybee, not a fly. Honeybee always look for the best petals to catch up the honey, but the fly is always looking for bad things. That was the connecting link Chanakya was trying. A person should not be too honest. And then he said, straight trees are cut first. Straight trees are cut first. Yes, straight trees should be cut first. It is useful. Straight trees are always cut for using for doors and windows. Straight students are taken into the factories when they go to the campus interview. Straight answers, yes, they got selected because they have to be cut and pasted into the factory. Factory also want to straight people right inside. Straight trees are cut first, but in the straight things sometimes are wrong, because before you go for a dance, before you go for a running race, anything of that sort, you have to first do your warming up exercise. Warming up exercise, neck up and down, shoulder rotation, wrist rotation, hip rotation, knee rotation. So the joints gets loosened up and it starts building up a little bit of heat in the body. And then you have to do your stretching exercise. After you do your stretching exercise, strike when the rod is hard, goes the proverb. Then you go, you are healthy. That was the cunning. Otherwise you think, straight trees are cut first, you go straight into the running, you get a muscle catch, you lose interest, and you are in the hospital. That was the connecting link, that straight trees are cut first. Even when we are fighting also, straight line fighting was always wrong. We never attack straight line. Whenever a fight, a punch or a kick comes, we sidestep. We sidestep and then attack, counter attack. That's the only way to put your talent best. You cannot take his talent. When you take it straight, his poison will enter into your body. Why should you take a straight attack? So you allow the poison to go out, you sidestep, and then you put amrit into the cup. That's why when a disciple comes and asks you a question, sometimes you cannot give them a direct answer. You indirectly take it in a different way. Stretching as that's what they were trying to tell. Before you go, stretching is very important. And after you finish your job, make sure you have good stretching. In the sense, you take a nice massage with your wife or your children or somebody, and then hot water bath, and then you loosen up all the stiffness in the body. So that straight, if you go straight into your bed and you sleep, you cannot get up. It will be too hot for you. Even I've seen, before we build a building, my engineer used to tell, did you do the soil testing? To even understand, even to put a foundation, they have to check with the soil. Soil testing, they do a soil testing. You cannot directly, straight trees are cut first, straight building are cut because the building can sink down. So even soil testing is done there. That's what Chanakya was trying to tell. Honest people are screwed first. Honest people are screwed. Yeah, you have to be screwed if you are unnecessary. In an unconscious state, if you are telling an answer to a person who is also unconscious, or a person who is cunningly trying to trick you, you do not have to answer. Why should you answer? Why should you answer? You have to look into the question. Count 7 times before you answer. Yes, otherwise you are screwed. Before you throw an anger, count 7 times or 7 days before you answer back. Otherwise you are screwed first. That was the connecting link. One time, Nelson Mandela was in Philippines, I think, and a journalist asked Nelson Mandela, Mr. Mandela, I heard that you're getting married to the ex-president's wife of so-and-so country, Tanzania, I think. And Nelson Mandela said, who is that person who asked that question? And the journalist stood up. He looked at the journalist and said, you look as young as my grandchild. When elders ask that question, I will answer, no, please sit down, please sit down. It's not that it's not being honest. One time the police brought a robber to the church father and said, Father, this person is robbed. These are the things he robbed. Father said, can I have a look at the robber and the things? Father had a look and he said, oh, this person, it is me who gave him all the things. He did not rob from here. And that person felt so badly. He fell into father's feet. He got converted. He never became a robber. Whenever he has a problem, he goes to father and takes help. See, that is the honest you say. Honest people are screwed first. The father is screwed and the man is screwed. Unnecessary problems. He saved that man. I'm not telling the robber should be always trying. Even when you're driving, you see, when driving time, you go fast, you see something, boom, you press the brake. People from behind, sitting behind, they also get injured. And the car coming behind also come and bang you. Screwed up. Both get fired. So it's your duty to make sure that the brake is 1, 2, 3, softly you go. And when you want to turn, indicator you are going to put the indicator. Why should I put indicator? I can be honest of driving. It is their duty. No, you have to put the indicator. You have to make sure the other people are also taken into the picture. And then you turn around. That was what is the honest people are screwed first. Chanakya said a person should not be too honest. Straight trees are cut first and honest people are screwed first. This is the 63rd short discourse. God bless.